What's up, guys? KWolfe back here with another video. Gonna go over a couple things that I've seen in the last couple of days. One of them being Travis Pastrana and pretty much doing the last jump that he's gonna do before he has knee surgery, and basically it's over for him. Not over, but just delayed and maybe slightly shifted in his plans for the future after his surgery. But the video that I just saw, if you haven't seen it yet, we'll take a look at it. And probably one of the craziest race formats I've ever seen or ever heard of. We're going to get into all that right now. Travis Pastrana. If any of you guys are over the age of 10, you know who Travis Pastrana is. I've been watching him since I was 6 years old from the Terra Firma 2 video. Him, racing on riding around on a big bike before. I think he was even old enough, or maybe he was just old enough when he started riding around on a big bike in that Terra Firma 2 video. He announced that his knee is garbage. Basically, his whole body is garbage. If you've been watching his career, we all know this. His knees, his hips, his back, his wrists, his shoulders, everything. We all know that his body just can't handle it anymore, and he says so as much in this latest video that he just released yesterday at the time of this recording. But he wanted to do one more jump. I'll link the video in the description below. But go to channel 199 on YouTube, and it is the most craziest trick I've ever seen. We've all dreamt of doing tricks like what he's doing in video games, and we've probably done tricks like that in video games. But just the fact that this is physically possible, and the fact that he's still doing this at 40 years old is just absolutely incredible. I mean, the guy is a motorsports legend, a motorcycle legend, despite what friends of mine that I get in constant arguments with happen to say. But Travis is just an icon and a legend just on a motorcycle, just period, across the board for over 25 years now. Travis is just incredible. But watch channel 199, and at the time of this recording, he's already had his knee surgery, if you follow him on social media. But the trick is insane, just to even conjure up the thought of doing it, let alone actually making it happen. But yeah, check out the video. It's on channel 199 on YouTube, and I've got the link for it down in the description below. Okay, this may be one of the more crazier ideas I've ever seen or heard of when it comes to a motorcycle race, and this is me being the father, or the son of a guy who has been an innovator and a creator for over 40 years or more in the motorcycling industry, and coming up with, new formats, new industries, new ideas. And this one might take the cake. I don't even think my dad has the nerve or frankly the balls to even try to attempt something like this. PAX MX down in Bunnell, Florida. They, long-standing practice track. I've ridden there a number of times since I was 14, 15 years old. It's still there, still a great track, still a fun track. They're doing the Moto Money Shootout. And, okay, great. We've heard of big money races for years. That's not a new concept. This, however, is something completely different. 6 classes, 50s, 65s, 85s, no super minis at all, and then 2-stroke, 250, and 450 open, just 6 classes. And they're paying out huge money, just massive money, money that I've never even heard of at a pro race, let alone an amateur race. And they're paying back to the 38 guys that are in the final. They're taking the top 100 based on early sign up. They're not doing a qualifying basis to get down to 100 and then go from there. They're just taking whoever signs up first out of 100 guys in each class. And then they're going to run a qualifier for each class, multiple heat races to get down to 40, I think is what it says. And then they're paying out big money to the top 38, and I'll put the payouts on screen. Here's the kicker, though. It is huge money to sign up for this race. The 50 classes, the 50, the 65, and the 85 classes are $500 a piece to sign up. Then the 2-stroke class is $750 to sign up. The 250 open class, just the 250 class is $1,000, and then the 450 class is $1,500 to sign up. That's your entry fee. And then, I'll show you, like I said, I'm showing the payout structure for each class online right now. So huge money, but that's a lot to ask of these riders from a 50 all the way up to, you know, you're even a pro rider. None of these guys, not even the top pro riders, have ever paid $1,500 as an entry fee in a single event. The closest thing that these guys, that, you know, any rider has come to paying $1,500 or more would be Loretta Lynn's. Just between the entry fees, you know, your camping fee, getting all your family members in, the pit bike fees, the golf cart fees, you know, whatever else have you. That's the closest thing that I could think of where it would cost $1,500 for a single race, if not more so, just because it's Loretta Lynn's. But even still, $1,500, $1,000, $500 for a 50 rider to put towards a race is just crazy to me. I'm going to go. I'm only staying 30 minutes from PAX Tracks when this race is going on. It's the Wednesday before the Daytona Supercross. So it's right in the middle of the week. There's going to be a lot going on that week as a whole. The Thursday night, as far as I know, is the Tampa Pro Open that Zach Freeberg holds every year at Tampa MX. And then Friday at the Ocean Center in Daytona is the National Arena Cross Series. And then you've got the Supercross at the Speedway on Saturday. So this is one more race for riders to do on Wednesday. So you've got the Wednesday race at PAX, Thursday at Tampa, Friday National Arena Cross, and then Saturday Supercross. So a lot to watch and a lot to take in, but I'm really interested to see how this is going to work because that's just a huge amount of money. But we'll see how it goes. Like I said, I'll go over and check it out and watch and just see how it does. But yeah, I don't know. It's that's the craziest. That's probably one of the craziest concepts I've ever heard for a motorcycle race ever, to pay out that much money, but to also charge that much money. So we'll see how it goes for sure. One last thing, guys. I'm doing something completely new with a new website, a new structure for doing the videos at the races, everything like that. Go check it out. It's KWolfeMedia.com. I'm offering up everything. It's completely online. It's fully automated. And I'm going to be doing pre-registration, pre-sign-up at the GNCC races, at a couple of the Loretta Lynn's qualifiers, any other race that I'm doing next year in 2024 is all going to be on the schedule. I've got a whole events page scheduled. And one other thing that I'm offering is updates that are just going to be exclusive to Wolfpack members. Cheesy, maybe, but join the Wolfpack. It's $20 a month. You're going to be getting email updates, exclusive first looks, or exclusive looks even, first looks for some other stuff. Merch, when it comes out, you're going to get discounts on that. You get a discount on video packages if you happen to purchase, or even if you want to private hire me for any other event that's not on my schedule, you can line it up with me, whatever the price is. You get a 10% discount on that. Like I said, it's $20 a month, or if you pay for the year, 20% off the top. So join the Wolfpack, sign up. I'll have the link in the description below for the website and the membership form, KWolfeMedia.com. That also helps me with everything that I'm doing, but also offering up all the services that I have for you for 2024. So thanks again, guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Like, subscribe, comment, do what you do. See you next time.